A lot of you guys want to start teaching independently Chinese students on WeChat and so on, but there is a huge problem called WeChat Pay. It's very difficult to transfer money to PayPal and so on. So I had an incredible conversation with an incredible teacher called Nancy. I like to call her Sneja. And she told me about an incredible website called ESL Teachers Hub. And I just, here's the link below. And I just want to say that I have nothing to do with that website. This is not any kind of promotion or stuff like that. It's just it's just information I've got, and I want to share it with you. So on that website, you have like everything you need to start as a freelance teacher. They take care of that WeChat transactions. They can accept WeChat and forward it to you via PayPal. They have ESL teaching materials and all the things you need to start as a freelance teacher. So go ahead, check it out, and let me know below in the comments if you have any other similar websites that can help freelance teachers, because we all know that especially non-native speakers, they have incredibly difficult time finding online ESL job in an online ESL company, because we all know that China has closed its market and so on. I'm looking forward to getting more cool websites in my inbox and in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Talk soon. Bye.